Jacob kuna ake ni ngan pochalati ni podog jiglan osi jiktewin bente ang ekete jika nene bente yum ekete anka yum ekke nuwe jiju ti jik bokti wak ni ekke boke wak osi wak baki ekete ekke nukuma ti bokti wak asa ni ekke kurka mutke ti wak meka poken osi ni ekke yaketi gingel ede beye ekke tiwe anka ekke nuwe wanna yiti wage ba ekiti asan ekke tune jongatilante ti ekken be wakanin ba ekiti anka ekitune jongatilante ti ekken be ek chong nu jongatilante be anka ekken baake ekiti wanna osi unkinda ni ekke tusi jongatilante ti wagie ekke unde eke be asan ekke buake wakaneni ti yum ekke puk jongatalan ek unde be ekke tune ba ti wakaneni ba ekke tune ti yum ekke be anka jongatalan ekke unde ti wanna be Banaba South Sudan ni iki noni ik nyoni kiden noni ti South Sudan ni iki noni o unki mi South Sudan kiden ba dinki kiden ba noran ekin buakan South Sudan etan agbanek ultan ti worten ti waj anka agbanek gena wana yomdwa gena wan yaay os kan ekin ame jongataran os kan ekin ame juang ekin ban hultant wajak ek ban hultant tunga beli ci ekin chong na jongataran beli ek ci nanka podan ekin poda inya osu poda ñala jongatalent yiti noran osu dinki bala yiti chulug na kirk yiti morle kirk ekbal yiti Mabaan osu yiti chulug ni osu yiti Equatorian ni kirken genawan yaay genawan pochimba. We all fought, you know, against Sudan. But now, what? After we got independent of South Sudan, now Dinkans, Nure, Nure tribes, Dinka tribes, now they want power. They are demanding power by force. What about us, Mabaan? What about other tribes? Ictorian, Suluk. We are capable of fighting too. But we hope that the grace and goodness should be above evil. We all are capable of fighting. We can fight, them in South Sudan. We all were capable of war. We fought against Sudan, all Sudan. So why now they're against us? They want to kill us. They're murdering us. They're making places for them. They're making land area for themselves. And they don't want us, just themselves. And that's wrong. They should leave us alone. They should leave us alone. I would say that leave people alone. If they're different or they're the same, if they look the same or look different, leave them alone. Leave them alone. Because we are all not thinking the same, that we have to fight, and then forget about goodness, about hope, about grace. We also have to think about God, about Lord, than thinking about things in this world, and thinking about our desires. Our interests are better than what God says. Why? Grace, God is good, is the first thing that we should accept. So I would say that Sudan People Liberation Movement fell or fall because now we are fighting, against tribes. It is a tribalism system now, not like before when we were fighting against whole Sudan or all Sudan. So they should told us before that we are fighting Sudan just for Dinka or Nure. They didn't tell us that. But now they're turning around because of their desires, demanding power. They want to kill and murder Mabaan, Ictorian, Suluk, Morley, and more. That's wrong. That's absolutely wrong. In addition to, right now, Nure tribes are going outside in the jungle in the Afan Island state. and killing all African on the roads. So killing Ethiopian, Arabs, Mabaan, Blue Nile people, Suluk, everybody, everybody they found or they find on the road, they will kill him, her, or they will kill them. Then they will take their stuff. They will take their animals. And that's desire. That's the need become greater than grace. But we want grace to be greater. Just leave people alone. Leave people alone. Nure or Dinka, leave people alone. Leave tribes alone. We don't scared of you. We can turn South Sudan into war, into violence. If we want. And I would say again, Sudan People Liberation Movement fell. SPLA or SPLM fell in South Sudan. And I want to say to the tribes like Suluk, Morle, Equatorian people, Mabaan, and more, to be aware about people or about Dinkan and Nuers, those who are demanding and those who are forcing and killing people and murdering people, burning people on the road in South Sudan, or killing people at the night, slaughtering people, and demanding the land because of their desires. I'm saying to Mabaan, Suluk, Equatorian, Morle, and the rest of tribes or other tribes to be aware of that. Be aware for the people who, for those people who are needing land right now, taking our land. And I would say that why they're taking our land right now, why they're demanding other tribes' land they want to take by force. So what are causes? Let's go to book of James. James 4, 1 to 3. James would explain, the book of James would explain what is the causes that tribes in South Sudan are facing or are doing. What's the causes? The book of James said,